Hey guys, today I will be showing you how I wash and style my taping extensions. Always comb your hair out thoroughly before you wet it. This will prevent your hair from tangling or matting or anything of that nature. The first shampoo that I use is a clarifying shampoo. This shampoo is really important. It gets all the dirt, oil, and extra buildup off your hair and really gets it clean. The second shampoo that I use is a tea tree shampoo, which is a scalp stimulator, and it's really good for anyone that may have dry or itchy scalp, and it also gets the hair really clean. The third shampoo, which is also super important, is to add that moisture back in your hair. So this is a moisturizing shampoo. And it's important because after you strip the oils off of your hair from using the clarifying shampoo, you want to add that moisture back in. Then I use this Alter Ego garlic conditioner. I've been using this about a decade on my natural hair, and it works just as good on my extensions. So, I'm going to keep using it. I work it through really good. You want to make sure that you also comb your conditioner through, starting from the ends, working your way up to the root. Also be mindful to be very gentle, not to yank or snag at your taping extensions. Not that they would just fall out that easily, but you just want to be mindful to be gentle and that you have extensions in your hair and we don't want to rip them out. I let my conditioner sit about 20 minutes before I rinsed it out. It's super important that you rinse this out really good so you don't leave any buildup on your hair. I always use my blow dryer with a comb attachment. This makes my life super easy and much easier to blow dry versus trying to use a brush in one hand and a blow dryer in the other. I've been wearing these tape-ins here about 4 weeks. This is my second install wearing tape-in extensions, and I must say I'm pretty addicted for the most part. But I love tape-ins. They last anywhere from 5 to 10 weeks, but that will vary just depending upon your lifestyle and how you maintain them on a daily basis. I have worked out with my tape-ins and I noticed they don't last as long when I'm working out frequently. However, you can work out with them, and tape-ins are recommended for anyone that has healthy, heat-trained hair, non-relaxed, and we highly recommend that you select a texture that is also close to your natural texture. That way, when the humidity hits it or you decide you want to wear it natural, the blend will be immaculate. So as you can see here, after I blow dry this hair, it looks so natural. It's super thick. I'm wearing 150 grams of the Kai Kinky Curly tape-ins. I have the thin tape-ins in the back, and I am wearing the Invisa tape-ins in the top. I start to flat iron my perimeter first. You want to make sure that you get that kitchen really good. And I know my nape is kind of on the struggle bus, but we are hanging in there, and I'm going to get her together soon. I am using heat at around 450 degrees on my natural hair. Now, as you can see here, to avoid flat ironing the actual tape strip, because if you put heat on that, it will just melt the adhesive, and I would imagine that your tape-ins may not last as long if you're putting heat directly on the tape strip. So always start flat ironing right below the tape strip. I always use a comb to follow my flat iron because it helps to distribute the heat to all the strands and get it a little bit straighter. I definitely take small sections, and of course it did take me some time to flat iron this hair, probably about 30 or 40 minutes total, just going through and taking small sections. A smaller flat iron kind of at the root because it helps me not flat iron that tape strip. But I am also using my flat iron up to 470 degrees when I'm straightening the extensions, just because of how thick they are. And then a lot of people typically ask, do tape-ins damage your hair? I would say no. Say that because I've worn them. This is my second install, and if they are installed properly as well as removed properly, you should not experience any hair loss. However, you want to make sure that your hair is in healthy condition before you get tape-ins installed. But if you're currently like experiencing any shedding, alopecia, or want to refrain from getting tape-ins, but I absolutely love like how lightweight tape-ins are. I love how natural my ponytails look. My ponytails are definitely my go-to when I'm working out. My tape-ins were installed by my stylist at my salon. Her name is Brittany. She's really good. I will definitely be getting this style more frequently. If you were wondering if you can wash tape-ins, yes, you absolutely can, and I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you subscribe and like below. Follow us on Instagram at Go Sleek Hair. Also, we're on TikTok at Go Sleek Hair, and you can shop our tape-in extensions online at GoSleek.com, as well as book a hair appointment. We'll see you the next time.